welcome back to another Buenos Aires vlog. We are starting the vlog off with the most perfect day in Buenos Aires. It's 70 degrees today, the sun is out, people are at the park, and we're in Recoleta today. We are actually at the United Nations Plaza. Right behind me you can see the Floralis Generica, and I think there's supposed to be 5 petals on it. I think they're still trying to repair it. There's actually people over there right now doing work on it. So I really hope they can get it repaired soon. That would be awesome. And I think this is the first time Michael and I have come here to just relax and hang out. We literally have no plans other than to just enjoy this plaza and this experience. These chairs are actually really nice. You can see it's fitting both of us. They're really spacious. Also, there are so many things happening in this plaza right now. There's like this group of women having this very aesthetic Instagram type picnic, and there's also proposal photos and things like that going on. It's like the perfect day to be here. Like, people are just having a good time. So many people are here just taking in the sun, like just lying on a bench and literally just enjoying the sun. It's a perfect day. So many people are out today, and I'm happy to be a part of it. A sunny, warm, beautiful day. Even better in Argentina, it's getting ice cream. It has been months since we've had ice cream. We don't eat ice cream in the winter, and I said this last year, and so many people were like, Chanel, here everyone eats ice cream in the winter. For me, it's very difficult, but it's a perfect day today. So we're gonna go get some good ice cream and make today even better. To comment your favorite ice cream flavor or your favorite place to get ice cream in Buenos Aires. We just went to Freddo. We got 2 medium cups, and each one was 6,000 pesos, which is like 4-ish USD. And my favorite ice cream flavors are pistachio, which is a very new thing for me, and my tried and true mint chocolate chip. It doesn't taste like toothpaste, so please, please do not say that. Coming in at number 3 is cookies and cream. So if you have any other favorite ice cream flavors, if you have a really good place to get ice cream in Buenos Aires, please let us know, because I think that's going to be our thing this summer. We're going to be eating ice cream, and we need to try some new places. supposed to get a terrible rainstorm today, but we woke up and the skies were clear. It's almost 70 degrees. Today we are in Saavedra and we're starting our day at a coffee shop. This coffee shop or cafe is called Time Cafe. It's our first time here. The Google pictures look really nice. It's exactly how it looks in the photos, which I always love. And we both got chipas and I actually got a latte. I asked for an iced latte, but they gave me a hot latte, but I'm the type of person where if they give me something else, I'm not gonna say anything. So it was still good too. And I use this time to read because you guys know I love reading in cafes, and I have about an hour left in this book. So this is a brand new book that I'm reading. It's called That's Not My Name, but I'm reading it in Spanish. It's called Este no es mi nombre, and it's pretty good. I give it like an 8 out of 10 so far. I'm really into like thrillers, mysteries, police investigation. I'm in that era right now. Michael actually went on Book Talk and picked it out for me. Wrapping up here, and then we're gonna go walk around Saavedra. I really like this neighborhood. When we were thinking about re-signing our lease last year or moving, like I was really debating Saavedra. I really like it here, so I'm excited to walk around today. And the Lollapalooza lineup for 2026 has just been released. Now, I don't know what you guys think, but in my mind, it is literally so good. We have Sabrina Carpenter headlining Lollapalooza. Papel Roan is going to be there. That is insane. Tyler, the Creator, is going to be there. Doechie's going to be there. Cat's Eye's going to be there. Addison Rae's going to be there. It is literally a crazy lineup. It's so much better than last year's, although Sabrina Carpenter and Olivia Rodrigo, for me, they're like the same, but there's more artists this year that I like. We literally tried to buy tickets the day they announced the lineup, and Michael was trying for hours and hours. He had to contact support. Our problem wasn't that we couldn't get through the queue or the line. Like, we were able to get through like all the paying information, but I don't think they were accepting our international card, which that's not something we had a problem with buying tickets for this year, because I'm not trying to buy a third-party ticket. I'm trying to go right through the main seller, and I don't know, we couldn't get it, so we're trying to contact support. I hope everything works out because I need to go to all 3 days. Like, we are going to do a 3-day straight Lollapalooza concert this year. It's going to be insane. We made our way over to Parque Saavedra, and Parque Saavedra is quite literally Parque Saavedra-ing. There is all types of things, beautiful things happening in the park right now, families hanging out, people having a picnic, people drinking mates, kids playing soccer, dogs all around, so many different types of birds, like beautiful birds around, kids playing at the park. There's a feria going on. It's like spring. Spring is springy and spring is here, and people are so excited to finally have some warm weather, and I'm here for it too. As soon as I started filming, the Helado guy's here. If you can hear him. We've been here for like an hour, and as soon as I turned on the camera, he wanted to make a feature. But Parque Saavedra is actually one of my favorite parks. There's just something about it. It's like the perfect feel of like residential, like families enjoying the park. There's a little feria going on. There's so many cafes around in this area, and there's just something about it. And the area Saavedra is not really that busy, so if you haven't come to this area yet, I definitely recommend it. Parque Saavedra is definitely a top 5 park for me in Buenos Aires. To more rain today, which is a little bit disappointing because the last few days have been perfect. I'm talking peak spring weather. So we took a few steps back, but that's okay. Today I'm meeting up with a friend for lunch. I feel like every time I meet this friend, we are having lunch in the rain. I don't know how it happens like that. So I'm about to head out for that, and I'm going to be listening to the new Sabrina Carpenter album, Man's Best Friend, which I personally love. If you've listened to it, there's a lot of mixed opinions about it. I think it's good. I think I rank it between like a 7.5 and an 8. Interesting saying that with the Olivia Rodrigo t-shirt on. If you know, you know. This is going to be the most YouTube influencer content creator thing I've ever said in my entire life, but I'm actually gonna try to make a TikTok before I leave because I saw this I never do like the trends or anything like that, but I saw this really funny trend and I think I have the perfect thing to recreate it with. So I'm gonna see if I can do that quickly before I leave.
Oh, that is definitely no X right here. I think there has to be a setting to just turn this off.
Let me try it one more time. I'm pretty good at trimming. For like the last 3 weeks, Michael and I have had an extreme, I'm talking like an extreme craving for Argentine food. Like typically we crave US, New York food. You guys know we like to get New York pizza and all these fun things, but I think it's because I went to the US, like I got my fix in, and now my body's like, let's turn the clock and let's crave some Argentine food. The last 3 weeks we have been eating like real Argies. Like I think you guys would be kind of proud of us. Today we had a new craving unlocked. We want empanadas tucumanas. So we're going to Rincón Norteño. I'm gonna get some empanadas tucumanas. This one's really good. I got a carne suave. I'd give this one an 8 out of 10.
First of all, I gotta say, the empanadas de Tucumán, I think they're my favorite type of empanada, especially the carne versions, because I love the cut up meat more than the ground beef. The texture is just so good. But Chanel and I were talking about this, and we're talking about like how we get like fast food empanadas all the time, and like when we think about empanada, we think about Berziano, which we should probably like train ourselves like to stop doing, because like we had an empanada like frita in a restaurant and it was so good, and we're like, why don't we get these more often? Because that's not what we think about when we think about empanada.
And we still need to try the Mi Gusto empanada. It's on our list, I know. Unfortunate thing happened to me today. Randomly, I was logged out of my WhatsApp, and I solely use WhatsApp to talk with friends and family. And the number linked to my WhatsApp was from my old US number, and I never transferred it over to my Argentine number. And randomly, probably for like a random security reason, WhatsApp logged me out of my account, and I've been trying for so long to get access to the account, but I don't have access to the number. I've called my old phone carrier, they can't give it to me. Like, there's just no way. So I'm still trying to communicate with WhatsApp to see if there's some way I can verify that the account is mine, but it's not looking good, guys. It's really not looking good. So if you are anywhere and your WhatsApp number is not on the actual number your phone uses, transfer it. Use this as your sign to transfer it, because like years and years of photos and memories and messages and all that stuff, it's just been gone because WhatsApp randomly logged me out. I don't know why, and I'm really disappointed about it. And I'm still trying to find hope that WhatsApp will help me out, but it's not looking good. I have officially completed my first week of teaching. The school year has re-begun in the US. Our school year goes from August or September till about May or June. And I'm a virtual teacher with a school in New York. And if you haven't been able to see the big giant whiteboard that I have in my house, I'm not sure how you missed it, but this is where I teach. And I made some new changes this year. I have some more Argentine stuff I have some nice little pom-poms. So every year I just get really excited for decorating. I used to teach in person and I love teaching in person. I'm still happy that I can continue to teach virtually too. And I was really, really nervous for the start of the school year. Like, I don't know why. I'm really confident in myself, like as a professional, as an educator, and with like the decisions that I make. But there was something about this school year where I was like, I'm just like nervous. But the first few days went fine and everything went well. So I'm really happy. I'm really, really pleased. It went so much better than I thought it would. And sometimes, you know, with everything, you can just be in your head and then the outcome just ends up being really, really good. So I was really happy with that. So I'm like riding a high. So that just felt really nice. We are about to leave. I'm going to close this vlog, and if you did enjoy this video, please be sure to give it a like, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. So many of you guys watch and you haven't hit the subscribe button, which is a little bit sad. But with all of that being said, I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. And right behind me, you can see the Floralis. It's hard to say. And right behind me, you can see the Floralis. Oh my goodness, this is me after waking up from a nap in Parque Side bedroom. Okay, maybe I look a little bit crazy. I literally thought that was like a rooster for a second. I thought that was a rooster. What is that?